Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to make t the subject in 3 to power 1 minus t is equal to k. Since we have power 1 minus t, or a superscript 1 minus t, what we need to do is introduce logs. You say log 3 into brackets 1 minus t is equal to log k. Take 1 minus t on this other side. You'll have 1 minus t log of 3 is equal to log of k. Divide both sides by log 3 log 3 because you are interested in t. So you'll be left with 1 minus t is equal to log k over log 3. Now, 1 minus t is equal to log k over log 3. The next thing is to make t go on the other side, and this fraction come to this other side. You'll be having 1 minus log k over log 3 is equal to t. And that's how we make t the subject in the given equation.